Dumpster rental service in Garden Grove, California. Need an easy and reliable dumpster rental service in Garden Grove, California? Our Lechuga Trucking is here to simplify waste management for your next project. Whether you're cleaning up at home, renovating a property, or performing a construction job, our dumpsters are perfect for any scale. With our Lechuga Trucking, you'll experience timely delivery and pickup, ensuring your project stays on schedule. We offer flexible rental options to accommodate your timeline so you can focus on the work without worry. Our friendly, experienced team is dedicated to making the entire process seamless from start to finish. Serving Garden Grove, California, and surrounding areas, we're proud to provide dependable service you can count on. Our dumpsters handle everything from household clutter to heavy debris, keeping your space clean and safe. With safety, affordability, and customer satisfaction as our top priorities, we ensure a hassle-free experience. Waste disposal doesn't have to be complicated, our team is here to simplify it. Let us manage the heavy lifting so you can stay focused on your project's success. Ready to rent a dumpster today? Call 562-230-9538 for a quick reservation. Our Lechuga Trucking is the trusted choice for dumpster rental in Garden Grove, California, offering reliable and convenient waste management solutions.